I'm feeling good.
Hey everybody, hope your day is going good. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are field cultivating. Yeah, ground's working good. It's dry. Dad's gonna plant soybeans in this field. We should get it done in a few hours. I'll get a lot of good shots for you guys, a lot of camera angles. It should be fun. I better clean my windows, they're getting a little dirty. We got 30 acres done and we have 54 to go, so we're just chugging along. Cultivator's doing a good job at smoothing it out. Okay, so all the mounted footage that you saw, the audio was awful, and I figured out why. I had a setting switched on in the GoPro, Standard Mic Plus. It raises the audio by 20 decibels. I don't want that. It's too sensitive for what I'm using. Any vibrations or anything, we'll just throw it out of whack. So sorry about the bad audio. Hopefully from now on, it'll be good. I finished 70 acres and I've got 12 acres to go, so we're almost done. 1 month until we start wheat harvest, so stay tuned for that. That'll be fun. Well guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.